Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Welcome, our illustrious son who has made us proud.
Hello. Hello.
That's why they remember. Can I come back to back to you, right? Sorry.
Oh, you're welcome.
Okay, in order. This is a table. gone through plenty.
When you can see the
Yeah, what is there able to?
yeah, outside.
Okay. Just have to come inside.
Can we please restrict movement?
Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Edo State, right?
I feel so compelled just to represent us the best way possible. Before each and every fight, you hear them say Auchi Nigeria every time. Because I felt compelled to carry on the pride. Even if I left as a small boy, I still felt compelled to carry on. So this is a pleasure being back home. It's a lot of heartfelt moments. It's been a while, so I've been waiting for a long time. Being in America, see my English is very sharp. That's a wait on low pitching. I want to thank you guys for receiving us.
I'm proud to have you home, live in your hometown, in your state, Edo State, and we are proud of you. And we are having you in our state at a time where we are bringing back the lost image and of sports in Edo State. You know, Edo used to be home of sports in Nigeria. All the coaches and sport administrators presently in the country pass through the School of Sports in Edo State. But unfortunately, government for a long time went on recess as far as sporting activities was concerned. This administration now brought back that lost glory. I'm sure during the day you will be in the rebuilt Samuel Rumudia Stadium. When you get there, you see the level of work that have taken place there. And we just hosted the 20th National Sports Festival. For us, we use it to launch ourselves back to being the leading sporting states and returning sports back to the native land, which is Edo State. So your coming is a boost. Your coming, we also encourage the young ones to know that sports is not only good for your health, but also through sport, you can be the real ambassador for the state and for the country. You, for us, is our pride, and we'll use you for a long time as a role model for the other younger generation to emulate. For us, we'll continue to support people like you, because when we have the likes of you, there is hope. And that hope we preach, because a country or a state that the younger generation do not have somebody they look up to as a role model, then there's a problem. I'm sure when I watched kickboxing during the last sports festival, I was there most of the time, because I developed interest in it suddenly, and I saw the zeal and determination from the athletes and from the officials, and that also took me to judo also, because I've not been used to these combat sports, and I devoted much time to knowing why and how, because for me it's all about eating, and I discovered that It's a game of discipline. That's the first thing they told me, say it's a game of discipline. And that means if all our young ones can be disciplined in their field, obviously the insecurity that we have today will be a thing of the past. So for us, we want to thank God for your life and to continue to wish you well. And as a state, you are our pride. And as a nation, obviously, you are our pride. And we want to urge you to keep it up. And as a state, we support every of your aspiration. Because without the support of the state, you're already here. So it's our duty now to push you more. And for us, I see Anthony Joshua. But for me, I was celebrating Anthony Joshua since I'll continue to celebrate him, but now I have my own. I have my own Comr now. So that means you are first now, Anthony Joshua is second. So I want to congratulate you once more. And for our mommy, thank you very much for producing our champion. That means you are a champion. Like I said, we have built a lot of sporting facilities beyond the stadium. We built 20 mini stadiums across the 18 local governments. And we want to carry them beyond. We want to relate sport with education. Our SUBEB and our post-primary education board are in synergy now with the sport commission to see how we can catch these children combining education with sports, so that we will have, like I always said, we will have the likes of Socrates, we have the like of Adoke and Mesimeka, where after the sojourn of sports, you can return back to being a medical doctor, being a lawyer or accountant, or you can even set up an academy using your education. So that is what we are now doing as a state, and we will like to partner with you in these directions. So our sports commission will be reaching you, maybe through your manager, to see how your state and you can partner in this area so that we can jointly have more champions like you coming from your homeland, Edo State. Thank you on behalf of Mr. Governor. Once again, I welcome you to your states, and as a government, we congratulate you for the feats you have achieved. Congratulations.
The other 7 chief of staff and
No other sports. This is league one in West Africa.
We also have in our midst to have him here, company of
give everyone opportunities to follow in the same footsteps to achieve the same successes. So I want to thank you guys. It's been a long time. I've been going for so long. It's nothing like actually being back home, seeing people. People like me, talk like me, walk like me, blue pixie like me. I just want to say thank you guys. I appreciate it and I love you all. I like you guys.